Hello guys, LegalZoom offers helpful services, but if you no longer need ongoing support or registered agent features, it's smart to cancel before renewal. Here's how you can cancel your LegalZoom subscription in 2025 step by step and without any surprise fee. So LegalZoom has different subscription like registered agent, business advisory plan or total compliance. Check which one you're subscribed to by logging into your LegalZoom account and going to My Account, then choosing My Subscription section. And LegalZoom bills most services annually or monthly, and many renew automatically. To avoid penalties or extra charges, cancel at least 7 days before your next billing day. You will find this in your subscription details or invoice emails. To cancel, you can also contact LegalZoom directly at 888-379-0854 or use the chat feature on their website. Phone support is available from Monday to Friday during business hours. Let them know you would like to cancel and request confirmation in writing or by email. Depending on the service, you may be eligible for a partial refund if cancelling early. And you can ask the agent if your subscription qualifies because registered agent fee, for instance, are typically non-refundable after filing, but business services may vary. Once cancelled, request a confirmation email and save it for your records. Also check your billing dashboard to ensure that your card won't be charged again. It's wise to take the screenshot of cancellation confirmation just in case. And if you're cancelling registered agent services, don't forget to assign a new agent through your state's business portal because LegalZoom won't do this automatically. And failing to replace your agents can put your LLC out of good standing. So cancelling your LegalZoom subscription in 2025 is straightforward if you act before renewal and confirm everything. Whether you're switching providers or simply no longer need the service, a quick call or chat is all it takes to cancel cleanly, without penalties or headaches. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.